Apply the first coat and cure for 30 seconds, followed by the second coat cured for 60 seconds. Take a white gel polish and a fine nail art brush. Skillfully draw a curved heart, transforming it into a miniature hand with the illusion of an index finger and thumb. Precision is key as you fill the inner finger with gel polish, creating a lifelike finger appearance. Extend your artistic touch to the palm, carefully filling it with gel polish to complete the hand. To enhance the detailing, delicately draw curved outer lines, adding depth and dimension to your hand-inspired design. Repeat the process, ensuring consistency in your artistry. Elevate your hand drawing by adding intricate details and finesse. Once satisfied, take your design to the next level by applying glitter gel polish along the edges and outer lines of the hand. To seal the brilliance, apply a top shiny coat and cure it under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. And there you have it, a stunning, glitter-infused hand design that's sure to turn heads. If you give this a try, share your results in the comment section below.